Hello everyone, myself Monisha Acharya and I'm legal intern at Lexis and Company. So today I'm here to talk to you about the judgment during emergency, that is ADM Jabalpur case. So basically in year 1976 on 28 April the most important judgment in history of India was held, which is remembered by us not because it was famous but because it was infamous judgment given by the Supreme Court. This case is also known as habeas corpus case. The name of the case is ADM Jabalpur versus Shivkant Shukla. The judgment of this case is given during the time when the judicial independence of the country was in jeopardy. For this case, the bench of 5 judges were there: A1 Ray, CJI, Hansraj Khanna, M. Hamidullah Beg, Y.V. Chandrachud, and P.N. Bhagwati. The decision was given by 4:1 majority, and Honorable Justice Khanna was in dissent. And it won't be wrong to say that at that time, Honorable Justice Khanna had decided to give the correct verdict. So we will discuss about the background of this case. So the matter was of the night of 25 June 1975. President was Farooquddin Ali and the Prime Minister was Srimati Indira Gandhi. Emergency was imposed on nationwide that night under Article 352 of the Constitution. Reason was for doing this was that there was internal disturbance. During the time of emergency, there were many disturbing incidents that happened in the country. Elections were on hold. All the fundamental rights of the citizen were snatched away, including Article 21 of India, as during that time, President had a right by using the power on 29 June 1975 passed the order through which he suspended all the rights of Article 21, 14 and 22. Even he suspended the right of court to execute on it. In nationwide, all the opposition parties' leaders were being arrested, and the right of the media were also suspended. All the strikes, rallies of opposite parties were stopped, and the leaders who were raising their voices were held under Maintenance of Internal Security Act. So basically, what is Maintenance of Security Act? This act was passed by the Indira Gandhi government during 1975 only, but use of this act was done at the time of emergency. This act used to give the unlimited right to the government. It stated that police and agency can arrest any person in prevention way without any warrant and was allowed to tap any person phone. From 1975 to 1977, this act provision was made tougher. ADM case. In this case, petitioner was detained through 1975 MISA Act. Petitioner in different state of High Court under Article 226 habeas corpus writ petition was filed by them, and they had challenged the detention, stated it as invalid. But the state side argued that the president, by using his power under Article 359 Clause 1 presidential power, had suspended the Article 14, 21 and 22 to be challenged in the court. So these petitioners have no right to challenge under Article 226 in court. But High Court did not listen to the state argument and gave the judgment that after the order of emergency in presidential power, also court have the right to inquiry that if the detention is according to the provision of the MISA Act or not. After which this judgment was challenged in the Honorable Supreme Court. In this court, Section 18 provision of MISA Act was also challenged, which stated that through this act, people who were detained have no right through common law, national law, or through any other law the power to challenge the right to life and liberty. After this, Supreme Court gave the majority judgment and held the MISA Act as valid law, and also said that Article 21, the right to life and personal liberty, is a single source, and mentioned the point that when president by using his president power had suspended the fundamental right to execute in court, so the person cannot file under 226 article or under any other writ in the court. This was the majority judgment, but the dissent judgment was given by Justice Khanna. He said that Article 21, protection to life and liberty, is not only one source. Even if this right is not mentioned in the constitution, then also the state cannot snatch the person right to life and liberty without their own will. This majority judgment was criticized by the nation people worldwide too. I hope you have understood this case law and the era of emergency. For more such information, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and do like, share and comment. Thank you.